Hello from the United States. This is Gary Fullett. I'd like to say hello to everybody in the great country of Sweden, and I would like to do an analysis of the 30 stocks in the Swedish stock market, the OMX 30. I want to welcome everybody aboard. I hope that you enjoy this little presentation. This is based upon the teachings of Richard D. Wyckoff, which is a volume and price way of looking at markets. I hope you enjoy this presentation, this YouTube presentation. I will do a disclaimer. There is substantial risk and loss in trading commodities options. Past performance is not indicative of future results. The opinions of those on Gary Fullett LTGLC are not to be taken recommendation by or selected by options. This is based upon teacher Richard D. Wyckoff. And I would like to keep updating you and trying to educate you in the technical analysis of Richard D. Wyckoff, a trader in the early 1900s. As we can see, this particular market was a very bullish market through the April to the May timeframe. This market had made new highs, and the market was in very good technical shape to the upside. The problem then is that the market then had a break from the May timeframe all the way down to the June timeframe. And this was some type of long liquidation to the market. And we could see that the market had some type of bottom in June of this year. Now, when we look at markets, and the market's been a strong market, when we see the first break of the market, we are not interested in selling that market because this particular market did not have cause or action that we call distribution for the market. The break that we had in the market was that the longs decided to liquidate their position. By liquidating their position, as the market took out previous areas of support, more people liquidated their position. So this was something that was extremely significant to the market. And this was an area in which we see that the market then proceeded to go down. We had a little bit of a rally. This rally here did not generate a lot of demand. The market made a lower high, made a lower low, and we started this downtrend. We then decided to mark the market back up to the market, and we saw the market rally. Since we do not sell the first break in a bullish market, we now saw the market then currently going higher. This was a retest of the November highs that the market had. So the market was bullish, made a high, just barely above this high, had a break. If you look at this break where the market stopped, it ended up to be an area of support. This reaction higher corresponded to this selling area bar. This selling area bar made the market break down, and now we're forming a trading range in the market. So as today you can see that we are sharply lower in the market, and we may have a possibility of testing the area of 1500 again. Right now we are in a technically weak position to the market, as the market currently is getting selling. This selling started to occur last night in the United States, and also during the European session as well. The sell-off is continuing in the U.S. markets, and you see that the market currently is sharply lower, and we're near the lows of the day. So the market will go down to an area where the market feels that it has value to the market. It has value to the market. So right now the market is not found an area of demand or buying presence to the market, and now we are just staying within this reactionary high at around the 1654 level, 1656 level, and may retest back down to this 1493 area, 1500 level to the market. So the market has caused some technical damage to the reaction here, but we may need to see the market go sideways in order to recover. It's akin to having a stroke, in which the market had this wide swing, and it may take some time for the market to recover. So this was just a brief introductory of currently about the current state of the OMX 30 in the Swedish stock market. The purpose of these YouTubes will be to educate you with the Richard D. Wyckoff principles and understanding and how to look at markets from a tape reading perspective, which would be volume and price. So please look please to look to these webinars, these YouTube webinars, as I bring them to you. And if you have any questions, I will post my email for you with this. And you'll be able to have a dialogue with me as well if you have any questions. I've been in the market since 1981, so quite a bit of experience. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, and I will give you that information shortly. So thank you for listening to my YouTube video, and everybody have a great day. Thank you. Bye for now.